guys, it's Maddie here, back in the AFI DIY lab, and today I decided to shake things up a bit by showing you guys how to make a cleaning product. This all-purpose spray is perfect for cleansing and degreasing just about any hard surface, so like this video if your counters could use some of this stuff, and without further ado, let's jump right in. Wahoo! So I've started off with my deionized water in my mixing beaker, and as you can see, it's ready to go. So our first ingredient that we're going to be adding into this is Bioturge PASAS, which is a surfactant that will help cling on to any grease and grime. So all for those greasy countertops or greasy stovetops, this will do the trick of getting that off. All right, so I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm grabbing my glass stirring rod, so I'm just going to stir these two together before I add my next ingredients. That should be good. So our next ingredient that we will be using is tetrasodium EDTA, which will prevent soap scum that results from metal ions found in your house's water supply. Fun fact if you didn't know that. And so we definitely don't want any of that gunk getting in the way of our squeaky clean surfaces. At least I don't. I hope you won't either. So again, we're just going to give that another quick stir. Alrighty, I'm going to put this to the side and then grab my next ingredient. So we will be using Stepan DG, and it's the primary degreasing component of the cleaner. So we're just going to pour this in, and of course give it another stir. Alrighty, for our next ingredient, I'm going to be grabbing some 9-All 11 CM, and this will bring the cleaning power of our spray to the max. So go big or go home, right? And as you can see, this consistency is a little bit thicker, so if you need to, just grab your stirring utensil and just help assist it out of this container into, obviously, this mixing beaker here. That looks good, and of course, I'm just gonna give it another stir. Alrighty, that should be good. So for our next ingredient, we will be using some preservative, and preservative helps prevent any mold or bacterial growth in the product since it is water-based. And here I am using Optifin MIT. So I'm just going to pour this in, concentrating. There we go. Alrighty, setting this off to the side. Just trying to keep my workspace clean. And of course, just giving it another stir just to make sure all of these ingredients are nice and homogenized. All right, for our last and final ingredient, which is also my favorite, is fragrance. So what's it people associate with cleanliness is different all over the world. So what's something that you smell and immediately think of as squeaky clean? Let me know down in the comments below. But for me, I thought that this AFI citrus linen does quite the trick. All right, so I already have this pre-measured out, so I'm just gonna dump it in like so. And of course, give it another quick stir. Alrighty, I think we're done. So now all that's left for us to do is, of course, package it. So for this one, I just chose a simple trigger spray bottle, which makes it super easy to apply it to anywhere that needs a quick cleaning. So I'm just gonna screw that. And I'm gonna grab my little funnel here so it helps me prevent to make any mess. This smells so good. You guys are missing out. Like, I wish you could smell it through the screen with me. Alrighty, so we have a few bubbles left, but that's all right. But just like that, we are done. Super, super easy. So to use this cleaner, just simply spritz the surface down and wipe it down with a cloth, and that's pretty much it. Super, super easy. It only costs us about $1 to make this entire bottle of spray, meaning 16 ounces can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. Check out dozens of household and industrial cleaning products you can make for yourself in the DIY playlist found on our channel. Are you a member of our notification squad? Join it by subscribing and ringing that bell icon so you never miss an update from AFI. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next one really soon, and thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day, and until then, bye!